Using the uploaded curriculum, you can create lesson plans. If I click on the lesson plan option on the left-hand side, create your first lesson plan. I'm going to choose GCSE History because we have a curriculum already loaded. Select a topic. So these are all from that original curriculum that we've uploaded. Fill out any additional information, any specific lesson focus, key stage, lesson duration. Click Next and generate. For our selected topic, we now have a fully fledged lesson plan, including an overview, any learning objectives and success criteria. You can add to these should you wish. We've also got suggested ways for inclusion and adaptive teaching from SEN, EAL and any extension tasks for more able students. And we even have a run-in order on how that lesson should take shape.